Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Cat S53 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then let's enter the Play Store. Of course, if you've got your account added to the device, then you will be automatically logged. If not, you will have to either sign in or log in, and then tap on the circle, which is your account. Tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. This is the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device, so we have to tap on Updates Available in order to check which apps we can update. And basically, as you can see in my case, I've got 24, so all of the apps can be updated in my case. And of course, if you want, you can mark all of them and update all of them. However, I will pick maybe 2 or 3. So I'd like to update the Google Chrome, maybe the Gmail and the contacts. So basically mark those which you'd like to update and tap on the update icon in the right upper corner. And right now your device will simply download the updates, and after that it will successfully install them to the apps. So you basically do not have to do anything, just wait patiently. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to update the apps in your Cat S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.